Chuck Aaron.
All right, man.
All right, how you doing?
Good.
It was a quick yes when they asked me.
Right, yeah.
Hey, you want to fly a helicopter? I said, sure. When?
Have fun. Got it.
Camera Towers, redbull helicopter, Brimble 154 Hotel. Santa Paula aerobatic box, this is red, white, blue helicopter 154 Hotel is entering the Santa Paula aerobatic box with a flight of 2 helicopters in the southwest corner at 1,500 feet. Anybody in the Santa Paula aerobatic box, please advise. All right, we're just going to come right on around. That's sweet. And right back down again. Pull it up. Flip it over.
Oh, smooth, man. Nice there, man.
Right on.
Kind of feels like slow motion when you're on it.
Okay, I'm going to climb vertical here.
And then go straight up. Come around.
Come down. Pull out. 154 Echo Hotel, red, white, blue. Departing the box to the southwest at 1,500 feet. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
Appreciate it, man. That was awesome.
Hey, my pleasure.
You just made that one look way too easy there, man.
That's my job.
That was awesome. I really enjoyed it. I mean, this guy makes it look so easy. Especially throwing on this thing. I mean, that landing was like, you know what? Perfect. Happy to be part of the family, and this is awesome. I love it.